Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kanhun menteri hene kasi kala menjur ban Thied Jaka kabahe kumbalai pon khandai san ekar hathat muthlong Laskein block ha West Jenti Hills district kani kadai nak benta banchna ya ka integrated lakadong plan ka donors kala batha yaman ki jilla ban shim uwei na ki jing Pynmih ban penklan ban kentiu ya ka da ka jing karen bat ka Ministry of Donors u Shyrmit udai u balaji na ka benta ka jilla Meghalaya Menteri Rangba ka jilla ulaya thu ba kani ka project kan poi hadu shispa prapunyo klur tingka ha ka ba ka donors kan mangpisa kumba nyopo hadu prapo persen bat kumba laipo hadu laipusan klur on mangpisa da ka Sorkar jilla na ka benta banya chakmat ka Jaka ka don kam banbu ya kani ka plan ulo ong ba Shyrmit ude ubabun ki pat ba na kaleng saudong ki trang banyo bat ka jilla Meghalaya ka de ka wei na ki jilla ka ban Pynmih bun bha yo Shyrmit ka Sorkar kala shim ya karai ban Thied Jaka ban bu ya kani ka plan na ka benta ban Pynmih yo Shyrmit plakadong.
The second decision was the purchase of 3.9 acres of land at Thied Laskein block in West Jenti Hills. This is for the establishment of an integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. As you're aware, Government of India, Donor Ministry has asked every state in the Northeast to pick up one product and to promote it. And in consultation with Donor Ministry, turmeric was the product that was selected for Meghalaya. And total project cost of about 187 crores has been finalized, out of which the Donor Ministry and Agriculture Ministry is giving the majority amount. Exact figures are not there with me, but about close to 70-80% is coming from them. And about 30 crores or 35 crores is being invested by state government. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have. And we have been promoting this product a lot. And we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the Government of India has decided with the Donor Ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.